Hello guys, today I will show you how to sort this shifting issue to the smallest cog, because what happened is when you try to shift it, it doesn't really go to the lowest cog. The reason of that is simply because the hanger, as you can see where the rear derailleur is attached, is actually bent. So probably somehow they dropped the bike or whatever and now it's bent. Now I'll show you how to sort this out. First I need to take this out and straighten it from there. Yep, as you can see, that one. What we need most of the time is just a simple adjustable spanner. Also, we can use this long Allen key to make it straight. Now it looks straight to me. Now let's see, let's put it on. Let's check it out. Let's see whether it would shift or not to the lowest gear. Biggest cog going to the lowest one. There you go. Job done. So that's all you have to do is straighten up the hanger, and that's it. It will shift itself. Thank you very much. Have a great day.